All right, so I only got the set of 2, so the box was very tiny. It was DHL, took 2 days to come over from overseas. And there are no instructions, but I don't think there's needed any, which we'll find out in a second. They come in a plastic bag, and there you have them. Let's see if I can do this one-handed. I can't. So here they are. You can buy a 4-pack, so the projector is right there, and it's going to be a pretty simple clip connection. So we're essentially just going to pull the old ones out, plug these in, and insert these. And then I'll show you the difference between the rear doors. We're going to put both these in the front door, the front passenger and the front driver. And then I'll show you what it looks like at night with both of them. Before we put these on, I want to remind you about TESL Studio, who sent me these. I've done a lot of collaborations with them. They have fantastic products, fantastic customer service, quick shipping, and great prices. I'm going to put a link in the description below and a discount code, but you can see some of the stuff I've bought in the past, and they're not exclusive only to Tesla or Cybertruck. They have tons of EV or electric vehicle upgrades that you can check out. So please make sure to go to their website, use the code below. Again, there's a link in the description. Thank you so much to them. All right, so we're outside. There's a little bit of wind. I apologize, and I'm going to do this backwards using the portrait mode on my camera here, but just easier to see where it's at. So these are the existing ones right here. So we're just going to use a pry tool and pop it open and then replace it with this. So let's see if we can get this going. Okay, got that out. So there's a little tab right here that you push and it allows it to come out easily. And just replace it with the new one and put it back up in the hole.
That's what she said!
There it is, got it. So when putting it back in, you have to have the exact right angle. It's a little tough, but once you get it, it slides right in there. So now that it's installed, I want to show you the difference. I'm in the garage because it's a little bit darker, which obviously has the separation in the cement here, which you can't see the logo fully, but you get the idea. So this is the Cyber Beast. I chose that. They have a bunch of different options that we're going to look at on the website, but it's pretty cool. So you see the normal puddle light there. It's not very bright. It's just there again to make sure you don't slip, something like that. And man, I still love those sill covers, and they're from TESL Studio as well. But this looks great. It is very prominent, shines really good, and they have all these different logos. Let's check them out right now. And again, this is TESL Studio's website. We've been on there before. Super user-friendly. You can sort it by your actual model. You can log into your account. And these are actually really cheap. One of the cheap, great upgrade options. 4.5 stars, 21 reviews. So again, you have a circuit-friendly Cybertruck logo, just the Cybertruck right there. Cybertruck profile, so it kind of shows the side of the Cybertruck. You have the Cyber Beast, which is the one I got. I do have the Beast, the tri-motor. You have a Tesla logo right there. And then you have kind of a combination, which looks really cool. So many different options. Again, they take 5 minutes to install, and they're a great price. So again, I got 2 of them. If you just use your driver door, you're a solo driver, you can get one, or you can buy them in a 4-pack as well. And you actually get a discount if you buy the 4-pack. So it's $30 for one or $100 for 4 as opposed to $120. So again, check them out. Not only these puddle lights right here, but everything they have on their website. This is like a kid in a candy shop for me. Again, big thanks to TESL Studio. There's a link in the description below. Make sure to check them out and use the discount code EXTREME. Thanks so much, guys. Talk to you soon. Thank you so much for tuning in. I really appreciate it. Yes, we're still giving away $1,000 statues at every 5,000 subscriber milestone. You have to make sure you're subbed to the channel, you like the video, and then leave a comment. We're going to pick a random comment on a random video and give away those statues. In the meantime, check out some of these other videos and my social media. Talk to you soon. Take care.